Welcome to the charming community of Lake Rancho Viejo, located in beautiful Fallbrook, California. Hi, my name is Lee Arnold, and I want to introduce you to 4163 Lake Park Lane. So come on in and check it out. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home is one of the most popular floor plans here in the community. This home features tall ceilings and doorways, tile and hardwood flooring, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a large kitchen island, and walk-in pantry. The great room features a large living room with a fireplace and dining area adjacent to the kitchen. Located at the top of the grand staircase is a built-in office loft with views to the adjacent mountains. The second floor of the home features 2 large bedrooms connected by a Jack and Jill bathroom. The master suite features dual master sinks, an oversized soaking tub, and separate shower, with a large walk-in closet. Situated at the end of the cul-de-sac, this house features a large backyard with no one behind you and a parkette on one side. I hope you enjoyed the tour today. If you have any questions or if you'd like to check out some other properties we have, give us a call at 760-849-4401 or visit us online at benchmarksocal.com.